Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to share with you today is a quick little insight into the options membership plan that we offer. So if you're into trading options, if you want to get a quick glimpse and idea of what goes on behind the scenes here, we get a chance to really just work with you, specifically hone in and work on a select few people that attend either the live sessions, ask questions through the email, and that way we get trade ideas and setups for the current market conditions. So if you're interested in joining, you'll get to see a quick clip right now. It's a little preview, it's cut, so you get to see an idea of what goes on behind the scenes. Again, if you're a member, you get the access to the full video. And some of those videos actually are quite long and lengthy and detailed. So they might be 38 minutes, 39 minutes, 17 minutes, 42 minutes. So as you can see, they are quite detailed. Now, to get this membership, what you could do is go to the tradersfly.com website, and you can head on over to members section over here. By the way, there's a lot of great freebies over in this area, or if you're brand new to options, just go ahead and go to the options trading 101 section. But when you click the members tab over here, you can go in, click the options, ideas, and strategies, and this will give you some ideas and insight of what it's really all about, along with some FAQs. And for you being, watching YouTube here and checking things out, I've created a little coupon code for the first month. It's called Share the Love, and that's only available here during kind of this segment and this video. As you watch this, you might be watching this video, a month or two after it's released, and if that's the case, then the coupon may not work. So just understand that coupons do expire from time to time. But in this case, if you're interested in joining, check it out. You'll get 50% off here on the first month. So anyways, thank you so much. Enjoy the clip, and I will see you next time. So anyways, what I want to do is, since we're going to do it after the bell, I'm going to go ahead and do a butterfly trade on this. I find butterfly trades are pretty good with earnings. So we're looking at maybe 5 points up or down. And what I want to do is actually look at, let's say, about the weekly chart time frame. And as you look at these, you want to look at, hey, where did the earnings go and how much of that move, or what actually happened? So as you look at earnings, I kind of want to negate the last one or two, but you can see here we went down, and you want to look at how far up or down. So let's take a look here at the last earnings, and you can see right here what happened. Here's the earnings, and then we probably went down. So stock finished at about 120, went down to about 114. So you can see it's about 5-6 points. It's a little bigger than expected. So again, this is kind of a little bit of a guessing game as we take a look at this. We'll go in and check out IBM here real quick. And I will do a butterfly. I'm going to do it just 4 days out because I don't want to go too much further. All right, so let's check these things out. We're going to go ahead, and I want to show you IBM here with the earnings. We did earnings trade with IBM, and we positioned it really kind of at the money. You can see it's only up about 3.4 points. The expected move was about 5.5, and it's up about 2.81%. And that means once all the volatility came out of all this option premiums there, you can see what happened here with our butterfly. It just shot up, boom. Plus the time decay, we're up about 280 on $580. So that's quite a bit when you look at it from a percentage basis. It's 48%. Granted, sometimes you lose all your money on these trades. So if you put on a bunch of these trades, like let's say 5 or 10 of them per quarter, in the end, that's what you're trying to do, is just kind of make a little bit here and there from some of the earnings that do work out like this, and then some that don't. Just close them out and see if you can keep your losses small if possible. So anyways, there's not much to do here. I mean, you could try and hold it if you want. We are getting a slight little pullback, but if this continues to shoot up, I'm already kind of past my point. And this trade, when you look at it with IBM, there's only really 3 days to go. So there's no point to really try and hold it unless you really think you're going to pull back and try and hit it right there at the peak, which is not really realistic. So anyways, let's close this one out. That's all you do with trades like that is, hey, it's a winner, take your money, run, and close things out. Welcome to another idea and strategy here. What I want to share with you today is just a synthetic kind of double calendar concept for maybe a diagonal idea where you want to be long invested into a stock, but you're not sure of where to go, or you want very positive vega on a strategy. So that's what we're going to talk about here in this quick little video. So let's kind of get started here and show you this concept with Home Depot right here. And you can see what's going on. I put this on earlier in the afternoon, but I'm going to show you this concept with Lowe's. Again, be careful with what's going on right now with earnings. And when I look at the VIX overall, you can see we're kind of at the lower end. So when you're looking at this VIX and you're near that lower end, that also means that you might get a pop soon. So just be cautious. Doesn't mean it can't go lower, but just be cautious about it. And usually within earnings, a lot of the volatilities pop a little bit more higher anyway. So when I look at kind of a chart of Lowe's, and you look at, let's go ahead and reset this chart to default. There you go. So anyways, so what I wanted to kind of look at is if you have this longward upward trend and you want a bullish position, sometimes some strikes, especially for long portfolio, some strikes are not available. So let's say we go to about a 30-day and 60-day, kind of, or 32 and 39. Why would I go from a 32 and a 39 or a 32 and a 60 for protection in a calendar? It's, if you go closer and tighter, then what's going to happen is you have less volatility exposure. All right, so there you go. Hope you got a good insight and quick glimpse into seeing what the options membership is all about. I really hope you join us by just going to the tradersfly.com website. When you're there, check out some of the freebies that we also offer, and go to that membership section and sign up. And this way you get some more insight on the current market conditions, how to trade it a little differently when the VIX is high, when the VIX is low, different types of strategies. You may take a look at some of the pros and cons of the different strategies and what may work a little better for you and your personal situation. Anyways, thank you so much. If you're brand new, remember to hit subscribe here on YouTube to join us. And that way you keep seeing some of the new videos that we release, or join our newsletter list by clicking the link over here. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.